Recently, I took a look at Tableau 8, codename the Kraken. Now, if you're wondering what data analytics has to do with the Kraken, wonder no more. According to the Tableau people, there are as many different ways to use the program as there are tentacles on the Kraken. So what does Tableau do? The program takes an Excel file, any data set or even multiple data sets, and makes it simple to visualize that data. Now, visualization aids include several approaches. You've seen stuff like tree maps. There's tree maps as bar charts now. There's packed bubble charts. All sorts of things that you can't do in Excel. You can also do things with the data from the chart itself. So if you want to group a bunch of data points together, you shift select them all and then group them as one object. Now this means you don't have to go back to the data, code each line item with a separate flag, and then rebuild the chart. So it's all interactive and very powerful on the visual part of the chart itself. Now, once you've created a nice chart, you can share your work by aggregating a bunch of different charts into a dashboard, which you can then publish on a Tableau server, either Tableau Public if you don't mind having your data out in the wild, or through an enterprise Tableau server. Now, I'd say that Tableau seems most suitable for the visual exploration of data instead of doing a lot of the stats stuff. Now, you can do some stats-driven exploration in Tableau, but my instinct is that you probably shouldn't. If you're going to be doing a lot of formulas and significance testing, don't bury that in some calculated formula in a visualization tool, right? Work with the data in the appropriate setting, get it as close to presentation ready as you can, and then use something like Tableau to communicate that data. So in other words, separate the data layer and the business layer from where Tableau sits, the presentation layer. So anyway, there's my Kraken. In actuality, though, I wouldn't call Tableau a Kraken. Yes, it has multiple arms, just like my Kraken, but in practice, you're only going to want to use a few of them. Now, it's more like if I was going to say which creature from the 1981 Clash of the Titans should a data analytics tool be, I would go with the golden owl, Bubo. The wrong mechanical owl, like a fake mechanical owl, will lead you in the wrong direction, just like wrong analytics will lead you in the wrong direction. But the right mechanical owl, or analytics done correctly, can be a tremendous ally in the fight against giant sea monsters like the Kraken. So I look forward to Tableau 9, the Bubo edition. Release the Bubo!